continue to buffet the central lowlands and northern Scotland for the rest of today. Gusts typically 60 to 70 miles an hour, but possibly still up to 80. And of course, that is going to give us dangerous travelling conditions and also some structural damage. Well, here's the culprit, this deep area of low pressure. That'll move away eastwards as the winds will ease during this evening. But then we're set for another windy spell of weather over western and northern areas through Thursday night in towards Friday. And in fact, we could see gusts up to around 60 to 70 miles an hour, particularly across Scotland and Northern Ireland. And of course, we'll keep you updated on that. And for the weekend too, it looks as though we're going to see further changeable and at times windy weather. Now, these are recent gusts, particularly across northern Scotland, 60 to 80 miles an hour, locally 70 in Stornoway in the Outer Hebrides. And it's also breezy across Northern Ireland and Northern England, 50 to 60 mile an hour gusts here. Plenty of squally showers blowing in on those strong winds across Scotland and Northern Ireland. This cold front here will continue to clear away from the southeast. A little bit of patchy rain left on that. Otherwise, it's a brighter story for much of England and Wales and up into southeast Scotland. The best of the dry and sunny weather in parts of eastern England. But it is going to feel cold in that wind. Temperatures at best around 8 to 10 degrees. Through this evening, we see those gales easing away, but by the end of the night, some further wet and windy weather coming into Scotland, giving us a fairly wet morning across Scotland. But as we go into the afternoon, becoming drier and a little bit brighter in southern and eastern areas. But we'll see those winds picking up, strengthening up to gale force by the end of the day across parts of Northern Ireland, western and northern Scotland. But for much of England and Wales, a dry and bright day and quite mild, temperatures up to around 9 or 10. And then by Thursday night, we start to see that cold front coming in from the northwest with those gusts up to 60 to 70 miles an hour. And that'll continue to make its way southeastwards. So a spell of wet and windy weather as it makes its way down towards southeast England. That clearing away on Friday afternoon and leaving a legacy of bright and blustery weather. Once again, many squally showers around, and we'll see gales coming in from the west. And not so mild, temperatures typically 7 to 9 degrees. Now, as we head into the weekend, it's going to stay very unsettled. We will see some drier, brighter spells, but also some spells of windy weather. This little frontal system knocking on the door as we go through the tail end of Saturday. It then clears away towards Norway, but we can see waiting in the wings for later on Sunday into Monday, another deep area of Atlantic low pressure, and that'll bring us another spell of wet and windy weather. So the rain piling in from the southwest during Saturday after a dry and bright start in the far north. That clearing away into the north on Sunday, followed by brighter weather and also some showers. Now back to you, Anna.